I'm Mustafa Aw-Abdi. I'm the Chancellor of the Academia Hargeisa Universalis and also the lecturer for School of Physics. And today I will focus on quantum mechanics from its AHU headquarters in Masaalaha on the outskirts of Hargeisa, Somaliland's capital city. This subject that I will lecture is the fundamental physical theory describing the behavior of matter and energy at atomic and subatomic scales where classical physics failed. Introduce wave-particle duality, superposition, and quantization of energy. Key concepts including Heisenberg's uncertainty principle and Schrödinger's wave mechanics, forming the basis of modern electronics, coaching, computing. I have the opportunity for students to have studied the laws of physics, and for this letter of educational words, follow me to YouTube, subscribe, click the like button, and write down the comments below. Quantum mechanics is the fundamental physical theory that describes the behavior of matter and of life, and its usual characteristics to occur at and below the scale of atoms. It is the foundation of all quantum physics, including quantum chemistry, quantum biology, quantum field theory, quantum technology, and quantum information science. Quantum systems are bound states that are quantized to discrete values of energy, momentum, angular momentum, and other quantities. In contrast to classical systems where quantum continuously measurements of quantum systems show particles in waves, wave-particle duality, and there are limits to how accurately the value of physical quantity can be detected by measurement, given the complete set of conditions. Quantum mechanics arose gradually from theories to explain oppositions that cannot be reconciled with classical physics, such as Max Planck's in 1900, to the back by Newton and the conflict between Einstein and Albert Einstein's 1905 paper, which explained the electrical effects. These attempts to understand microscopic phenomena, now known as quantum theory, the default development of quantum mechanics methods by Niels Bohr, Erwin Schrödinger, Heisenberg, Max Planck, Paul Dirac, and others. The modern theory is formulated in various speciality mathematical formations. In one of them, a mathematical entity called the wave particle information in the form of amplitude, well, what measurements of particles energy, momentum, and other may yield, and other physical properties may yield.